Our studio for Columbia is called Under, Over, Out, and it's about taking a forgotten piece of Manhattan's transportation infrastructure and stitching it back into the city. So there's an old trolley turnaround at the foot of the Williamsburg Bridge where trolleys used to come over the bridge, turn around, and go back over the bridge. But it's been abandoned for 70 years. So it's 8 acres of Manhattan underground that's not used. So the studio is charged with taking that and stitching that back into the city.
We want to rethink the idea of how mobility, infrastructure, transportation, social media all fuse together for a new urban space. There's leftover infrastructure all over the world. There's a whole world we don't know about, and this could become a prototype to rethink what we can do with them.
But we're working with the MTA, who will issue an RFP for this site, and we're working with the Delancey Underground to make the students' proposals grounded in reality.
I think the success story of the car has to be rethought, and we are at this moment where we can see the changes and actually be part of making these changes happen.
What's really exciting about this studio is that a car company is talking to architecture students, and I think more importantly, architecture students are talking to a car company.
We want our students to understand that architecture is part of accomplice systems, or like an alliance system. There's an underground, there's above ground, there's a waterfront, there's air moving through these spaces, there's earth that we have to touch. So it brings a very kind of material conscious aspect to the idea of motion. A special extra is that we will fly to Rio also to visit Studio X, Columbia's external space there, to look into other metropolises, other urban contexts.
It's the thing I think that contemporary architecture dreams are made of. This is our chance to let students create something that lets the whole world dream about what architecture can do.